In this video, we compare Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum and Powerful Robot Vacuum Cleaner. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum is a remarkable all-in-one device that incorporates hands-free cleaning, featuring self-washing and drying mop pads, automatic dust bin emptying, and self-refilling, making it a convenient tool for maintaining cleanliness in your home. With its powerful suction capacity of 8,000 Pa, the vacuum effortlessly removes hidden debris and pet hair in carpets, ensuring a clean floor in just one pass. The device is equipped with MopMaster 2.0, which operates at 180 rotations per minute and applies 1 kilogram of downward pressure to easily eradicate stains, leaving your floors spotless. The vacuum's AI.See Smart Cleaning feature enables advanced obstacle avoidance, capable of identifying over 100 different objects, even in the dark, allowing for a customized cleaning routine. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum comes with an auto-detangling roller brush that rotates in reverse to loosen and remove any hair wrapped around it, saving you the hassle of manual cleaning. The device's iPath laser navigation and customizable AI.Map 2.0 allow you to create no-go zones and virtual boundaries, ensuring the vacuum cleans your space exactly the way you want it. The LaFant Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts an impressive 2,200 Pa suction power, making it an excellent choice for tackling dust, pet hair, and debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its slim design, measuring just 2.99 by 11 inches, allows it to clean under furniture and in corners with ease. The vacuum offers 6 cleaning modes that can be easily switched via the app, providing a versatile cleaning solution for every home. Equipped with 13 pairs of built-in upgraded infrared sensors, this vacuum is capable of detecting its surroundings to avoid obstacles and prevent falls. With a long battery life, the M210 Pro can run up to 120 minutes on a single charge and will automatically return to its charging station when low on power. The LaFant Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be conveniently controlled via button, app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or remote, and you can schedule cleanings even when you're not at home. In comparing the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum and the LaFant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, it is clear that each product has its own unique strengths. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum is a powerful device with an impressive suction capacity of 8,000 Pa, making it well-suited for deep cleaning tasks. Its advanced features such as the MopMaster 2.0 and AI.See Smart Cleaning enable it to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks efficiently. On the other hand, the LaFant Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out for its versatility and convenience. It offers 6 cleaning modes that can be easily switched via the app and can be controlled through various means, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and remote. Its slim design also allows it to clean hard-to-reach areas. While the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum has a higher price point, it offers more advanced features and a higher suction power. However, the LaFant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, with its lower price point and versatile cleaning modes, offers great value for money. Therefore, the choice between the two would largely depend on the specific needs and budget of the consumer.